Something you could never guess about me is that when I started my career as a student like you, I started working on a salary you cannot even imagine. But today, I have traveled across the world except few countries on the map. There is not a single major international aviation and tourism show or event across the globe which I have not attended to get the best knowledge about this industry. Hello, I am Vipin Sharma, an expert in aviation and tourism industry. You are now just one step away from starting your journey to success in aviation industry, and I welcome you to one of the best online course in India for cabin crew and ground handling services. Why I am saying this so confidently? Because we have worked for 35 years in this industry and have gone through the grind ourselves, and that's what we are sharing with you in this course. This course is not only one of the most affordable course compared to what you can get, it is also the best value for improving the skills such as communication, personality development, grooming, and interview skills. The fact that you are here means you are serious about making a difference for yourself. I think you are here for 3 reasons. Firstly, you want to know about your journey from a student to a professional. Secondly, you want to know about the life benefits you can get, including free travel across the world. And thirdly, you want to start earning well for yourself and your family. Do you know the airlines have already started recruiting staff? There is so much of growth expected in next few years with so many new aircrafts lined up for delivery in India and many new airports coming up in India. The industry is bound to bounce back and will have so many opportunities coming up. But will you be ready to grab these opportunities for yourself? So if you want to learn more about most cost-effective course supported with assignments, worksheets, links, weekly support sessions, community support assistance, then please click on the button below to get special invitation for our next webinar where I look forward to meeting you live in the session. And remember, one webinar can change your life and destiny. Until then, goodbye and all the best.